And really, if we left our Toyota Prius like 6 months in garage, it is guaranteed that battery is empty. And that's we have to open firstly this driver's door using these emergency keys. And emergency keys are inside in these smart keys. And let's look at how I do that opening. Okay, and really in here when I press this side arrow in here, we can see the small side arrow. When I press this area down and same time I pull out this part in here, where is this my steel ring. Firstly that one and then out. There is this spare key. Very nice. It belongs in here and when I press this switch I can release that. Very nice engineering. And now when I press that down and then pull out, this is my door key and it belongs in here in this way. Great. Yes, now when I move this in here, look, you can see, now this works and door opens. Great. And this is really door key in here. Excellent. And now we can go forward. And now really this my front door is open and then I can same time open this rear door because I have to go to trunk area next. Now I open this rear door in that way and we look in back seat. Now we are in back seat and now I have to open this back seat when I press this up area in here and then I move. This is next step because I have to go in this down area to open my back door. And let's look at how this happens. Yeah, now we look again that how I open this back seat. There is this press and when I press that down and same time I move that in this way. And there is really button. But my one is now a little bit broken. But I have to press that in this way down and then move this seat in here. Nice. And now I can go in this trunk area because there is my next step. Okay, and now I am really planning to show you that how we open this Toyota Prius trunk door. And for that opening, firstly we have to move these seats, both of these seats sides in down, that we press this button and then we release both of these seats, these sides in this position in here. Okay, and then I can gravel and move in here inside. And if I have these long pliers, these are really useful because the space is quite small. As we can see, there is not so much the space, and that's I have to go in. I have to take that cover next out, and let's look at how I take that away. Really need some cell phone or flasher light because next I have to change these lock switch in this another position in here that I can lift that, and there is this lifting position, and now I rotate also that one in here. Look, these sides, they must be in that side. And now when they are, it is easy to check so that when I lift this cover and if this cover opens, everything is fine. Now cover is like free, good. And there is then this my trunk doors switch and it is in here like in hidden. And this is difficult job because in that hole there is this side Now when we look, I think that it is good to bend that little bit. Now I am looking at where it is this switch in right in here. When I use my pliers, what is this? How I can feel that? It is in here. Can I see anything? This is really difficult to see in that area, and that's I recommend that we remove this full, this cover, this both things in here away, like this upper cover, that one. Now I change this one away, and also then this plastic cover, that one. This is also good to remove away. I pull out that box in here also. This box away. In that way, good. And now we can see more. There's bare feel. And now we can look that low even better, that one. Can we see? Yes, now we can see this steel switch in here, that one. Good. And now we have contact, and when I take my pliers in here, I can pull out that. Look, soon this door opens. In that way we can hear even sound. This is difficult. This way. And now I think that I have to lift that door in the same way up. Okay, let's look that thing. And now there is this my lock, and this is door, and I think that I have to move this switch in up in this way, and same time move this door. Or how about if I in that way? Okay, yes, this was the trick. I have to lift this door. Look, that's great. This is great. And now we can see that now I managed to open this door. Excellent. Excellent. Now it's like door is up. Excellent. And now I can install something in between this door and okay. Okay, door is open. Excellent. That my case. I make this my journey and road in this way in here, and then I have to look that area in this my car area, and in normally this trunk door is closed, but in that my case we can look that thing better, because now I have to open this area and there are two switches what I have to move next. And then when we are going in this trunk area, there are two switches what I have to move in position like in here, lock and unlock position. And let's go to look those arrows. And there is really arrow, that means that it's lock, and unlock means that I move that in here, and also same thing in the second lock. To move that second switch also in this side unlock position in this way. And now I can open this rear cover. This rear cover opening is important, and I move that in here, and I can release this whole thing away in that way. I can move that away in this way. Then when in this emergency case I have to open this trunk door, I have to next look in this area in here, because there is this my lock. Okay, and this rear door lock is like hidden in here, in that area. And now I can also remove that side cover, this box in here, also away. This is good to take away. Or then if I am inside in this trunk area, I have to look in this hole in here, that hole, and let's look inner area in here. Now I remove that down box, plastic box, away that we can see more in this inner area. Okay, and inside in that area is this lock what we need to open. And now I open that cover, I pull out that away. It is possible to take out, and here is this rear lock. And when we look in that area in here, we can see the switch. And now I remove also this plastic cover that we can see even better what there is happening in that way. And there is this lock, and now we look in that area next. Okay, and normally when rear trunk door close, this part moves in that way inner. I have like tool now, and this is like locking position in here. And now we have to open in this emergency case this lock. Now it's like lock, and that's we go in here in that area where is this small steel switch, and we have to move that up in this way. And now this lock, this one should open. In my case it's stuck, but we can move this our trunk door in up. Now it's like up, and when I release that switch, and this is in this way. Now I think that this my lock is maybe too old. Let's test. Okay, and now it moves, and when this part moves up, then now this part opens. Look, this switch. Now trunk door opens, and now it goes lock again in this way, and let's open in here. Okay, and this that way, and still again, and I have to move that again in this way, and now door is open. And now we can open trunk door, and we can work nicely in that area in here, because this battery is in that side in here, this car battery below of that box in here, that one. And soon I will show that how we replace that.